Hey everybody, Bobby here with EZ LYNK, and today we're out here in the warehouse again, and we've got our Polaris AXYS 800 snowmobile, and we're going over functions with that. And today we're going to do exhaust valve function on that, just like we've showed you on the Matrix models on the 850 platform, whether that's the 850, 9R, the Boost. All the same function is performed the same way on the AXYS 800, but we'll run through it on this machine here just to give you a tutorial of that real quick. With this function, we've got our Polaris diagnostic cable hooked up to our Auto Agent 3. We are running a direct connection on this one. You can use your Wi-Fi or whatever works better for you in this particular application. But let's jump into it, fire this machine up, and we'll walk you through the function in the app, and you'll be able to hear the exhaust valves relearning and basically changing positions, which will change the exhaust tone on the sled. You'll have to do this function with it running, so make sure you're in a well-ventilated area to do that. So let's jump into it. We'll get this thing fired up, we'll get the app pulled up, and we'll run this function and show you guys how it works. All right, everybody, we got our AXYS 800 up here and running. We're connected to it. We're going to come up here into the top left screen, go into select vehicle, and in the vehicle we're going to go down to the functions tab, and in the functions tab, this is where we have our, it's labeled customer programmable features. We're going to click on that and hit run. And in here, it shows at the top we have 6 available functions for this machine. We're going to select a menu here, and right now we're doing the exhaust valve recalibration, so we'll hit exhaust valve recalibration, and we're going to hit run. And again, this function has to be done with the machine running, so make sure you're doing it, again, in a well-ventilated area. You're going to hit submit, and it's going to do the recalibration, and here's where you're going to see the tone change on the machine when it recalibrates these valves. And just like that, the relearn is done successfully. You can close out of your app, go back in, do data logging, whatever you're going to do there next. And just like that, guys, it's so simple. You use your app on your phone, plug it in. You can do this in your driveway, your garage, wherever. If you don't have access to a dealer close and you do this out in the field, perfect tool for that. So check us out for more features and functions videos. We're going to keep doing these for all the machines and UTVs and trucks, everything out there. So keep an eye out for more of these videos coming down the pipe. And appreciate you watching, and get out on the snow and have some fun, guys. We'll see you out there.